All right, here is another ANSTOY AK47 build out I'm going to do here. This one came to me broken, or at least this part of it, the plastic part, and I had a new idea of something to try out with it just because I'm always trying to think of different creative ways to build cool new blasters. So with this one, there were some broken pieces down here. So my plan is, you can see what I did here. I printed this special kind of rail, and this is actually going to go in here like this, right? So that's going to go all the way over there. And then to cover any of that area that I didn't fill, I do have this little metal piece that'll be glued flush against under here. But then, of course, this is going to cover a lot of it too, right? So you're going to see that rail right there, and that's going to work very nice across there. Um, Also, these rails here will go right up along here, and they actually, two of the holes actually already line up, and that's just repurposing other rails, so that's nice. Now, these are just the standard handle and magazine. And then I had this was actually from one of those little Uzi Mac 10s, SRC00AT. And this actually will mount on the back here. And it actually fits on there pretty good. And I already lined up some holes so that you'll be able to have that. And then, of course, you'll be able to flip it forward because this one had the back end broken as well. So it's only going to work off the auxiliary power up here. And that was the other reason for doing this, because then my plan was to go ahead and use one of these different battery boxes that I have. This is, again, the nice long one. You can click on here, and then we're going to get power right off of that port. It can go directly into the battery box right here. And of course, you could use it for a larger battery or the standard battery. This box will accommodate any of them. I also have some smaller boxes that we can use to just accommodate the standard battery that comes with this, like these ones too. So I've got those right there as well. So I think this is going to turn out pretty nice. I like the color combination. You guys ask about paint. This was the green that I used. Again, this is like an RC car plastic paint, or this was olive drab. And then this color I've used before too, just Rust-Oleum. It's a camouflage, non-reflective finish. So they're both, these were both matte finish. And then for the black, I left the black the same, or if I had to paint anything black, I used a matte black, just so that, because there'll be a combination, of those three colors. So I think this should turn out really good. Looking forward to putting it together. Just kind of a cool, different design. I hadn't seen anything like this yet, and I think you guys will like it once it's done.